one break become 1 week and 1 week become 1 month, and suddenly I forget about my dreams. So today in this video I want to share with you how I started again. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you know, my name is Akanksha. So after a long time I'm making videos with full of confidence, because earlier I was not able to making content for my videos. So today I will tell you each and everything why was I not able to making videos. Okay, so without any further ado, let's come to the point. So you know what everyone, as I told you before, I had gone to my in-laws house, and there was I not able to making content, because I had some kind of fear, like if somebody knows, if somebody known about my video, then what will they see? Because I have already told you, nobody's nobody knows about my channel except my husband. Only my husband known, and so just because of this fear I was not gathered my confidence to making videos with full of confidence. Yeah, in rare case I tried my best to making content at night, like 11 or 12 o'clock, when everybody's slept. But I think that videos was not enough for my viewers, because there was not any kind of confidence. I was just uh, prior to making content, but I wasn't, you know, because when I was creating videos, that time I had fear, like if someone listen my voice, then what will they say? And just because of that I was not making videos. Okay, and because of this reason I didn't get views on my channel, and I have also lost my more of subscriber. And I don't know what happened with me in back days, but it's okay, because I have came to my place, and from now on I will give you best content. I will try my best. Okay, so please guys, don't unsubscribe my channel, and I will do my best for making content. Okay, so the day begin from tomorrow, and I will give you best content with my daughter. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Till then, bye bye.